Pourquoi tu me suis? Pourquoi tu me suis?
Boyongo Ngunda headed to the courtroom. He's on trial for performing an illegal abortion with a barbecue tool. The incident occurred in January of 2024. The victim was a 24-year-old woman who was an asylum seeker who arrived in the city in 2023. A court order protects her identity. In her testimony, she said her partner at the time didn't want to keep the baby and forced her to get an abortion. He hired Ngunda, who is not a doctor, to do the abortion. The partner has already been convicted of 2 assault charges and sentenced to 8 years in prison. The trial focuses on Ngunda's role. He allegedly inserted a long stem in her vagina while her partner was pushing her belly with his hands. The woman told the court she couldn't remember how many times this was done because of the pain. Ngunda is facing 4 counts of aggravated sexual assault using a weapon, aggravated and armed assault. The Crown says the woman has been allowed to testify in a room adjacent to the courtroom to make the process less stressful. The woman told the court she thought she didn't have access to health care because of her status. The province's Federation of Birth Planning says clandestine abortions are rare in the province, but newcomers are more at risk.
International students, folks with temporary work visas. There's a whole slew of people who do have a legal status in Canada but are still not insured under the public system. And these are the people who are subjected to, to making decisions for their own health that can put them at risk, like clandestine abortions.
4 days have been set aside for the victim's testimony. Ngunda's case will be determined by judge alone.